gained millions of views on TikTok, and this is the 3-step process I use to always go viral. Step 1. The idea. Finding video ideas was always a pretty daunting task. I was so worried and focused on finding the most original idea that would blow people's minds. Really though, what you need to be looking for is just what people are already interested in. The way I did this was I searched by niche on TikTok, which was Fortnite tips, and then filtered it out by most liked and for the past 24 hours. I would then remake the most popular videos in my own way. Step 2. The delivery. The idea, in my opinion, is the most important part, but right next to the idea is the execution. What we need to figure out is how long the video should be and what editing style should we use for the video. It all depends on what kind of videos you make. If you make informational videos like I do, then you can get away with a little bit longer videos. With that being said, when it comes to TikTok, you should be trying to make the video as short as possible without sacrificing information. I like to have visuals that go along with what I'm talking about to keep the viewer interested. It's also best to be straight to the point. If you're making entertaining videos, then the best option for you is to cut out as much filler content as you can. You want to keep the viewers engaged with quick editing and constant action. Say you're making funny gaming videos. Include context to what's going on and build a story. With any style or niche though, if you don't know what editing style works best, just try to watch popular creators' videos and replicate their style. Eventually you will find your own style of editing with time and experience. It took me around a year to have a concrete method. Step 3. Being consistent. Now repeat all this until it works. It's not if, but when it works. Going viral is not luck, contrary to what many people think. Keep finding good ideas that you know people are interested in. Keep making videos and you will become better at editing. It's only a matter of time, with posting 3 to 4 times a week with high quality videos before your views explode. It happened to me a few times actually, and I had no idea what I was doing before I started. Be relentless with it and enjoy the process.